What's up, guys? Welcome to HDA Trading Empire. I'm back again with weekly analysis. We are going to analyze the Forex market and see what is likely to happen in the Forex market this coming week. But before we dive into our charts, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every video and educational content I drop. See you in the chat. Now, guys, we first start with GBPUSD on the 4 hours time frame. So for GBPUSD, we can see that the current trend of the market is a bullish one. The trend of the market is an upward trend. So now what we have to do is that we have to identify our key levels, then buy, since this is an uptrend market. So identifying our key levels, we first have a key level here. We have this key level over here. We have this key level. So this is what I want to see on GBPUSD for this coming week. So for this coming week, I want to see price drop into this key zone here, then look for buying confirming candlesticks, then buy GBPUSD. I also show you another scenario over here. So now let's assume that now price is currently here. So we can see that price is currently at this point here. So let's assume that price decides to go up when the market opens. So when price decides to go up when the market opens like this is what I'll do. I'll first take my rectangle tool here, then identify a key zone over here. So this another key zone over here. So now this is what I want to see in case the market behaves like that. I want to see, the market retrace or come down to tap this key zone over here. And when the market taps into this key zone over here, I'll move to the 1 hour time frame and look for buying confirming candlesticks and buy GBPUSD. So this is a very simple analysis on GBPUSD. So I have given you two scenarios over here. Now guys, the next pair we look at is AUD/USD. For this pair, we can see that the current trend of this market is a bullish one or an uptrend. So for an uptrend, we look for buying opportunities in this market. So we go ahead and find our key levels in this uptrend market. We have a key level over here. We have a zone of interest over here, and we also have another zone of interest here. We also have another zone of interest over here. So we would like to buy at this particular zones. We can see that the market price has touched this current key zone here. So what I'll do is that I'll go ahead and move to the 1 hour time frame. When I move there, I'm going to look for a buying confirming candlestick, like a bullish engulfing candlestick or a hammer candlestick or any kind of buying confirming candlestick. Then I buy in the market for AUD/USD. So this is scenario 1. So for scenario 2 also, in case the market breaks this particular key zone here or this zone of interest over here, in case it breaks it downward here, this is what I want to see. I want to see price move downward and touch this key zone here. And when price touches this key zone here, I'll go ahead and move to the 1 hour time frame and look for buying confirming candlesticks, then buy AUD/USD. So for this week, I'm bullish on AUD/USD for this particular week. Now guys, the next pair we look at is USD CAD. That's the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. So for this current pair, we can see that the market is a downtrend here. So we'll be looking for selling opportunities in this market. And this analysis is a very simple one over here. So finding our key levels, we have this zone of interest over here. We have this zone of interest over here. So now this is what I want to see in the market. I want to see price move upward and touch this zone of interest here. And when price touches this zone of interest, I'll go ahead and move to the 1 hour time frame and look for selling confirming candlesticks and sell USD CAD. This is a very simple analysis on USD CAD. Guys, the next pair we'll also look at is USD JPY. So for USD JPY, you can see that the market was at first in an uptrend, and we can see a change of market trend. That's from an uptrend to a downtrend. Currently the market is in a downtrend now. The market is currently in a downtrend, so we will be looking for selling opportunities in the market. So for selling opportunities in the market, we first go ahead and identify our zones of interest. So we have this first zone of interest over here. We have this one over here, and we also have another zone of interest over here. We have this one over here too. This is what I want to see in the market. So I want to see price first of all, retrace into this key zone over here. And when price retraces into this key zone over here, I look for selling confirmed candlesticks and sell USD JPY. Or it's likely that the market can just break this key zone upward here. It can just break it upward here. So when it breaks that particular key zone upward, we just ignore that particular key zone and focus on the topmost one. So this is what I want to see. When the market does that, I want to see the market continuing moving upward, then tap into this key zone here. And when it taps into that particular key zone, I'm going to look for selling confirming candlesticks on the 1 hour time frame and sell USD JPY. So this is a very simple analysis on USD JPY. For this camera, you can bearish on USD JPY. Guys, the next pair we'll look at is GBPUSD. So for GBPUSD, the current trend of the market is a bearish one. We'll be looking for selling opportunities in the market. We go ahead and identify our zones of interest. We have this key zone over here, and we also have another key zone over here. This is what I want to see for on GBPUSD this coming week, since I'm bearish on GBPUSD. First off, I want to see the market retrace into this key zone here, and when it gets into that key zone, I'll go ahead and move on to the 1 hour time frame and look for selling confirming candlesticks, then sell GBPUSD. Or it's likely that the market will move upward or retrace and violate this particular key zone here and continue to move upward. And when it moves upward, my target will be this particular key zone here. And when it gets into that key zone, I'll go ahead and move on to the 1 hour time frame and look for selling confirming candlesticks and sell GBPUSD. So this is a very simple analysis on GBPUSD. Guys, we move on to our last pair, which is US oil. So for US oil, the current trend of US oil is a bearish market or a downtrend market. We'll be looking for selling opportunities in this market. We first of all identify our key zone. So we have this zone of interest over here. We have this zone of interest over here. And we also have another zone of interest here. We have this zone of interest here also. So now this is what I want to see on US oil. So for US oil, since this is a bearish market, I'll be looking for selling opportunities. I want to see markets tap into this particular key zone here, and I move on to the 1 hour time frame and look for selling confirming candlesticks and sell US oil. Or this is what I want to see in case the market decides to move upward. I want it to tap into this key zone over here, then look for selling confirming candlesticks on the 1 hour time frame and sell US oil. So this is a very simple setup on US oil. Now guys, we've come to an end of our weekly analysis. If you find this video valuable, do well to hit the like button, and if you have any question, you can do well to ask in the comment section below. If you are interested in free forex signals, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. Do well to tap on it and join my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching.